Good morning, all of you. Audio, video clear. Welcome all. So today we are starting the rapid fire lecture series. Please confirm whether the audio video is clear. If you are live in the class, respond whether the audio video is clear. Yes. Okay. So for the new students, this session is useful for all CSIR-NET aspirants preparing for the upcoming exam. I'm happy to see my complete course students also being part of this. This will be those who are part of our complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. This will serve as a practice material for you, or revision material for you, revising all topics very quickly. That is the idea. So, and new students, we welcome you. Those who are preparing for July exam especially, this will be very useful. If you are preparing for December exam also, this will be useful, but very fast practicing more questions, that is the focus of this lecture. Please don't expect detailed theory of each chapter. उसके लिए previous videos देख सकता है, नहीं है तो you can check out our detailed courses in our mobile application Christy's classes. For the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. I am an educator who have trained more than 2 lakh CSIR-NET aspirants in the last 11 years. And the book I have written is the current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A section. The name of the book is CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook. In Amazon and Flipkart, you can get this book. And these are other resources. You can take a screenshot of this page. The other free resources we provide, or check the description of the video after the class to get access to all these free resources we provide. In our Telegram channel and through our YouTube channel, we give regular free content also for General Aptitude section. You can follow that. To be part of our WhatsApp group, you can text to this WhatsApp number given on the screen. Okay, so and the full course, those who are preparing for December exam, we are starting the new complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude, a unique course. We are starting from 7th July, that is day after tomorrow onwards. And now the early bird pricing is applicable. 1,999 will be the price of the course, and it is a very unique course. 3-day classes, 3-day practice, and then Sundays there will be weekly test. And it's a complete course. Complete course means everything you need for General Aptitude is available in a single course. Classes, recordings, weekly test, mock test, study material, doubt clearing session, everything together in a single course. More details of this I will tell towards the end of the class. Hope all of you have invited your friends. Please share this video link to more people so that they can attend this live or recorded. But if you share it now, it will be useful because they can attend it live itself. So let's start. So I'm taking questions from the latest PYQs. I always tell the best practice material for you will be all subjects aptitude paper. Aptitude paper के लिए सिर्फ your subject only, please don't take to practice. सारा subjects का aptitude paper similar है, and the chances of other subjects aptitude questions repeated in your subject is more than your own subject repeated. So always remember this. So other subjects aptitude PYQs is more important for you. For each of you I'm telling. For a life science student, please practice mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science aptitude section. Subject by subject aptitude section में difference नहीं है. Please understand that. Okay, so I will show you questions from previous years itself. The last exam questions itself today we will conduct. If more people are joining the session and more people are responding in the session, we will plan for more rapid fire lectures if you are interested. So those of you are watching this live or recorded, please respond whether the session is useful. Comment under this video. Avanish is saying, please continue this class till CSA. Yes, Avanish, that is what I told. My schedule is tight, but I will try to allot more lectures in this course only if more people are responding. More people are coming to the platform. Kushi, welcome. Many Newsfire series do you like to continue, or some other series you like? Because we have plans for many other lectures before July exam. So new students, do hit the like button, do comment on this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the future updates. and share it among your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, etc. If you're part of any CSIR-NET related WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups, share it there, because this is going to be a completely free initiative. Try this question, all of you. Monetary problem or money related problem? Kushi, welcome back. Awaited series. Harpreet is saying most awaited series. I got 20 marks in February exam. Thanks to you, sir. So happy to hear, Harpreet. Yeah, anyone who have benefited from the previous sessions, if you can comment under the videos. I'm not only telling to the live students, recorded students also. Do take an effort to put a small comment to any educator who have helped you, especially with the free classes. So, because that will motivate any educator. And thank you so much, Harpreet, for taking the time to comment. Thank you. So, no problem, Khushi. Practice more. Definitely, you can improve in the upcoming exam. Try kariye. Any answers? Any answers? As it's the first question, I will give you extra few seconds. Okay, I will explain. An item in a shop is priced at rupees 375 excluding tax. Excluding tax means tax include नहीं किया है, बिना tax ही 375 rupees है. So tax add किया तो it will increase. Shopkeeper offers a discount of rupees 15. However, there is a tax of 12% before discount on the item. The selling price of the item is. Again, these kinds of questions, if you are not understanding the meaning of the question, you can start with the options also. So item in a shop is priced at rupees 375 excluding tax. The shopkeeper offers a discount of 15%. So, ये 375 पे 15% discount दे रहा है, but there is a tax of 12% before discount on the item. So first of all, you have to add 12% of 375. That is the meaning of the question. 375 ka 12%. Again, those of you who attended my Mendel math class on percentage, we have discussed how to do percentage calculation faster. 12% कैसा फाइन कर सकता है easily. So 10% is 37.5 and 2% is 3.75 plus 3.75, that is 7.5. 37.5 plus 7.5 is 45. तो 45 रुपीज ऐड करना पड़ेगा. 375 प्लस 45 क्या है? 420 रुपीज हो गया. तो टैक्स ऐड करने के बाद 420 होगा. एक्सक्लूडिंग टैक्स 370 है, 375 है, इंक्लूडिंग टैक्स 420 है. Now 420 पे 15% discount. That also Mendel math of percentage. Those of you are new, please check the percentage class. Percentage class में we have discussed how to calculate percentages in your mind, even your virtual calculator, because virtual calculator में values enter करने के लिए time ज़्यादा लगेगा compared to this Mendel math. So 15%, 420 का 10% कितना है? 42. 5% कितना है? 21. तो 10 and 5 ऐड किया तो 15% हो गया. So 42 21 मतलब 63 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 60 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 350, 360, 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 357. So option C is the answer. All of you understood? I'm not showing simple questions only. I'm showing you CSIR-NET PYQs itself, standard PYQs, so that you get proper practice before exam. Is it clear to all? Then try the next question. This is a famous question. Last 4 years, CSIR is constantly asking. At least in one paper, they are asking for the last 4 years. Again, Sailaman is saying, no matter how much, say thanks to you. Still less. So happy to hear. Thank you so much for the comment. And many of you got the answer for the previous question correctly. Very fast. Wonderful. We'll try to cover as many varieties of questions as possible. Okay, many of you got it, so I will explain. Choose the option to fill in the blank that will make the following question logically correct. हाँ, इसका एक टाइप प्रैक्टिस किया तो almost surely you can get the answer right in the next exam also. But a person who have in practice PYQs, he will lose or she will lose 2.5 mark by making it wrong, because there is chance that you can make it wrong if you don't understand the meaning of the question properly. Statement logically correct होना चाहिए. ये blank भी ये statement का part है. That is the most important part. So if you are filling the blank with one of the option, that option or that word is part of the sentence or part of the statement. So considering that word only you can complete the statement. That means वो word में ये particular letter I है तो वो भी count करना पड़ेगा. All of you are understanding? I will explain. Counting with precision the number of occurrences of the letter I in the sentence yields. मतलब कितना i's है या sentence में या statement में, that is what we need to find. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, already 8. But if you enter 8, what is the problem? 8 answer है तो 8 का I will make it 9. That is why 8 is not the answer. If any of you have got option B is wrong. क्योंकि the word 8 is also part of the statement. तो word 8 enter किया तो ये statement logically incorrect हो जाएगा. Statement को logically correct बनाना है ना. 8 as English word 8, not a numeral 8. So 8 answer गलत है because 8 will make it 9 i's. That is making the statement logically incorrect. Now 9 enter किया तो 9 में luckily there is only one I. That is actually the 9th I. That will make the statement logically correct. इसलिए option C answer है. सबको clear है ये? Please respond how option C is the correct answer. Some of you got option D. I don't know why. If there is any doubts, please mention. Option A, option B, option D गलत है. Because many of you have those options in the chat, so please respond if it is clear or not. So try this number system question. New students, if you want practice of this particular topic, for example, पिछले question reasoning miscellaneous question था, उसके पहले वाला question profit loss discount का question था, ये question number system का question था. If you don't want to spend money, just go through the playlist of my channel. There itself you can find good material. But if you want a more systematic learning experience, visit our mobile application Christy's classes. There are paid courses. Recorded course, if you are planning for July exam, 1 month recorded course is available at I think around 400 something rupees. And if you are preparing for December exam, join the live complete course starting from day after tomorrow onwards. The first batch is starting from day after tomorrow. So try this question, all of you. So happy to see more students are joining the live lecture, and thanks to all people who have invited your friends also. If you haven't, please share the link to others. They can watch it as a recorded video also. As it is a first rapid fire lecture of the series, today we will take a little extra time than the 30 minutes mentioned in the thumbnail. 45 minutes we will take. Tomorrow onwards or next class onwards, we will try to keep the session 30 minutes so that minimum time, maximum outcome. Okay, a question ka explanation I will give you. The sum of digits of a 4-digit number. So first of all, you should understand that 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number or an n-digit number, how to represent it. These flashcards in our mobile application, you can find it. A 4-digit number ABCD can be written as 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D. So ABCD को 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D लिखिए. That is a first step. Then what is mentioned in the question? 4-digit number 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D is subtracted from the number itself. From the number itself, sorry, sum of digits is subtracted. The number is this. 4-digit number ABCD is this. According to the decimal number system, this is how to represent it. Just a minute, there is some issue with this pen tab. Subtracting sum of digits means A plus B plus C plus D should be subtracted. So opening up the bracket, 1000A minus A will become 999A. 100B minus B will become 99B. 10C minus C is 9C. D and D cancels to get 0D. Matlab, you can clearly say that 999, 99 and 9 have a common 9 you can take outside. 9 into 111A plus 11B plus C. मतलब 9 का multiple होना ही चाहिए ना. Question is asking that only. The result will always be divisible by. And this is a very famous type of question. In many times CSIR have asked this question. Not this question, but something of the sort. It can be like a 3-digit number minus its sum of digits will give you a number like this. So what is, it can be about the sum of digits of that number. So many varieties like that. All are dependent upon how to represent 2-digit or 3-digit or 4-digit number. So if you know that, you can easily do it. ये सबको clear है ना? This always divisible by is important. That is why if you take an example, you may get confused also. Now this is a new variety question that CSIR started asking in the last exam only. CSIR-NET February 2025 only. To the new students, this lecture is clearly focused on July 2025 exam preparation. That's why, according to the latest PYQs, we are setting up this rapid fire lecture. So please make full use of it. And yeah, we have a plan. I want your feedback in the comment section. We are planning to start a series of lecture. Rapid fire will be part of that series. Other than that, most expected question, most repeated questions, ऐसा एक series of lectures ये YouTube channel में live आने के लिए plan है. So we'll update you, but please comment if you are interested in those lectures. If more people are interested, we will plan that. So, and the complete course students, as we discussed in our complete course, these are your revision materials so that you can practice more along with the daily lectures that we are having. Okay, ये question try करिए. Okay, some of you got. Let A is equal to export, B rainfall, C harvest, and D go down storage. Which one of the following sequences is correct? So after what happens, that is what the question means. So definitely export, harvest, go down storage, it is related to agriculture. So first rainfall should be there, then harvest happens, then storage happens and go down, then only export happens. Now after harvest directly exporting, that is not how it works. So rainfall, harvest, go down storage and export. So option B is the correct answer. So B, C, D, A the correct answer. Sabko clear hai na? All of you understood? So that was an easy one. 2025 एग्जाम में 2 सब्जेक्ट का पेपर्स में ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया था. Sequential arrangement is what we need. So try the next question. Seating arrangement problem. All of you try. Okay, so I'll explain. 5 girls are standing in a line. So it's a seating arrangement problem. Seating arrangement problem. Linear arrangement, circular arrangement, दोनों type का question पूछ सकता है. This is a linear arrangement question. So 5 girls are standing in a line. Out of them, Henna is to the left of Agatha. The first letters I will take H, A, D, S and L. These are the 5 people. Henna is to the left of Agatha, and between Agatha and Deepthi, there are 3 places. Shabnam has both Lata and Deepthi as neighbors. So Shabnam has both Lata and Deepthi as neighbors means left and right are Lata and Deepthi. So, and Agatha and Deepthi are, between Agatha and Deepthi there are 3 places means total 5 girls only. So definitely Agatha and Deepthi should be in the extreme ends. So I will just first place Agatha here and Deepthi here. If needed, we can change it. So now read the rest of the sentence. Shabnam has both Lata and Deepthi as neighbors means Shabnam should be placed here so that Deepthi is the neighbor, and Lata should be placed here so that Lata is the neighbor of Shabnam. So this is clear. Now Henna is to the left of Agatha. Henna is to the left of Agatha means you have to change this, because Agatha's left is this. There is no one in Agatha's left. So we have to revise our picture. Agatha should be here so that Henna should be the left of Agatha. So Deepthi should be in the other end. then Shabnam should be here and Lata should be here. This is how to draw the picture. Initially when you draw the picture, there can be a mistake. You can correct it. Because otherwise many people, the problem is they don't know where to start because they are feeling that if it is wrong, you can correct it. That is how you should attempt these kinds of questions. Yes, sabko clear hai na? How we got the entire arrangement? Now, which statement is correct? Lata is to the right of Agada. Lata is to the right of Agada. Lata is to the left of Agada actually. Henna is at the extreme end. No. Deepti and Agada are at the extreme end. So ye dono galat hai. There are exactly two people between Henna and Deepti. Henna and Deepti ke beech mein two people. Yes, that is correct statement. So option C is the correct answer. Yes, sabko clear hai? Please respond. This is clear or not? That is how to do that. Then try this question. Percentage and number system together was asked in this question. Avinish is saying, really sir, आप good teacher है. Aptitude के आपके lectures काफ़ी helpful होता है. Thank you sir. Most welcome Avinish. Thank you so much for the good words. Try the next question, all of you. Okay, this is the sixth question. We'll go a little faster. Saying sir, आप जब करवाते हो सब easy लगता है. Yes, Kushi. Thank you for that. But practicing more, then you will also reach a stage where when you see a question also you can simplify the question and understand it. इसके लिए problem solving skills you should work on. Practice more and more questions, then the problem solving skills will automatically work. The square of 5% is close to 5%. Percentage means divided by 100 na. 5 by 100. Square of that. So square this means 5 square by 100 square. A by b the whole square is a square by b square. So 25 by 10000. That if you write it in decimals, point. Okay, I'm not writing it in decimals. I'm dividing by 100 in the numerator and denominator. So this 0 will cancel. So this will become 0.25 by 100. Na? 0.25 by 100 is same as 0.25%. Are you agreeing, all of you? So option 1 or option A is the correct answer. सबको clear है? क्योंकि finally हमें percentage में चाहिए answer. Finally percentage में चाहिए answer. Percentage means out of 100. So 5 square out of 100 square is how much out of 100? That is the question. So all of you understood this? Then we will go for another simple question. ये question try करिए. Not very simple. क्या आपकी पुरानी वीडियो देखनी पड़ेगी पहले ताकि इसकी question solve हो जाएगा. Nikita, it depends. If you have already practiced aptitude, this session you can attend it as a practice material or a revision for your July exam. But if you are a new person who is starting your preparation for aptitude, I will suggest you go through my previous videos also. Or if you want a more structured course, join our mobile application and join our course, Christy's classes, complete course for General Aptitude section of CSIR-NET. The recorded course is also there, live course is also there. So depending upon your requirement, you can join either the YouTube video or the full course. Definitely the paid course will be better than the YouTube video because we have made the course such a way that it is more useful than the random videos or topic wise videos. It's more a structure. The complete course, the main thing is it is following a structure. Every week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we will have classes. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday is to practice those 3 topics that is taught on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And Sunday there will be weekly test on those 3 topics. And there will be mock test after all the topics are completed. And there will be regular doubt clearing sessions so that the doubts of each topics, each practice, each Sunday test, everything is covered. So it's a very structured program rather than just a set of videos. That way complete course is much better than the YouTube videos. But definitely in the YouTube videos I have taken the effort to make it as useful as possible. But it is not a course. It is a set of videos. The complete course is a course actually. Okay, so many of you got the answer for this. 3 positive integers ABC have a sum of 15. So A plus B plus C add kiya to 15 milega. For example, 1 plus 1 plus 13, 15 hai na? 1 plus 2 plus 12 is 15. So many possibilities are there. Then the minimum value of A minus 2 the whole square plus B minus 2 the whole square plus C minus 2 the whole square. So first of all, x square, this actually needs a little more theory, but square graph is an exponential graph. Na? When the numbers grow, square value grow exponentially. So it is better to keep the numbers as small as possible so that the sum is as small as possible. Minimum means smallest possibility chahiye na. So A minus 2, B minus 2, C minus 2 minimum rekha to that is when this sum will be minimum. A minus 2, B minus 2, C minus 2 minimum रखने के लिए A, B, C तीनों minimum होना चाहिए. A, B, C minimum होने के लिए A, B, C तीनों 5 assume करना minimum है ना. Otherwise at least one number will become bigger and that will make the square exponentially large. That will make the sum more than the minimum. This is the basic theory, but this needs more detailing. But that much time is not there. So ABC 5, 5, 5 hai, so 5 minus 2, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. That is 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27 will be the answer. You can check any other possibility. It will give you more than 27 only. So 27 is the minimum. Hope all of you understood this. This is a permutation combination question. We will discuss it in the next class because it needs more time. So we will do a blood relation problem. I am trying to show you one example at least from all the major topics. Permutation combination is a major topic, but it takes more time. So we will skip it to another lecture. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining if A is B's daughter. So blood relation tree, how to draw, you should know. These are the rules. Female denoted by circle, male denoted by rectangle, spouses denoted by double line, siblings denoted by single line, parent-child relationship denoted by a vertical line. So if A is B's daughter, B, A is daughter, so female, so I am denoting circle. B's daughter, so B का gender हमें पता नहीं है, so parent child, that's why we are denoting a vertical line. B is C's brother. B is C's brother means B is a male person, लेकिन C male है female है, we don't know currently. B is brother, C is brother or sister, we don't know. Now D is C's father. D is father, so male. C is father. So C का gender अभी भी पता नहीं है. Then what is A to D? D is daughter और son is C, वो daughter और son का brother है B, मतलब D का son है ना B, D son is B, वो son का daughter है ये. So clearly A is granddaughter of D. Son का daughter is granddaughter, right? So granddaughter option 4 is the correct answer. Is it clear, all of you? Yeah, blood relation tree, if you don't know, please check out my previous lectures on blood relations. Blood relation 2025 February exam में multiple papers में आया था blood relation question. This is another example. Do it very fast so that you get practice of this relationship tree. If you draw relationship tree, the confusions will be minimum. Without relationship tree also you can draw, but it takes time. Avanish is telling सर मैंने 30 minutes दिया था एप्टीट्यूड में 25 मार्क आया था, तो क्या ये सही या थोड़ा और टाइम मैनेज करना पड़ेगा? Ideally you can manage more time, but this is actually a best actually in the exam hall scenario. Before exam I will say हर क्वेश्चन 1 minute में 1 mark मिलना चाहिए. The 25 marks means 25 minutes में वो होना चाहिए. But I totally understand exam hall scenario is little different. Before exam, if you take mock test, you may be able to do 25 out of 25. The exam hall में 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes extra totally lena, that is totally okay. So I will say you are already doing very good. But if you practice, maybe you can improve more. But how much time you have for aptitude to practice more, that also is important. I always say, I normally don't say to my students, get 30 out of 30 in aptitude. I will say get good marks in aptitude in minimum time and बाकी time subject part के लिए दे दीजिए, because your net exam is not only for aptitude. And I don't advertise in our courses also, attend this lecture and get 30 out of 30, because that is unnecessary. 30 out of 30 से भी important, minimum time में maximum mark मिलना, मतलब 20 minutes में 20 mark मिलना, that is more important than 40 minutes में 30 mark मिलना. If you get 30 mark out of 40 minutes, that is a waste of time. You wasted at least 10 minutes extra. So always focus on the time and mark aspect. When you go to a supermarket to buy something, value for money you will say, na? So value for time is very important in exam. So always keep that. And Avanish, you are doing very well. 30 minutes by 25 mark means in an exam hall scenario, that is very well. But practice more. Maybe that 25 mark now you can improve to 27, 28 or maybe 30 marks if the questions are very easy. That is what I will say. You can get 30 out of 30 in 30 minutes only if the question paper is easy. Because ideally every question paper of aptitude for last few years, majority of the time, around 7 to 8 questions are difficult level question. वो 7 to 8 क्वेश्चंस टाइम करने के लिए 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा लगेगा. नॉर्मली एक क्वेश्चन 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा लग रहा तो स्किप दैट क्वेश्चन. दैट इज व्हाट आई ऑलवेज से. So keep that ideas. These things we will plan for something, a separate session for that. Tips and tricks for exam or exam hacks before exam. Stay tuned. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. We will come up with many such initiatives in this next 10 to 20 days before the exam. Asha's mother is Tanisha's daughter's aunt and Tanisha has no nephew. Whose nephew, niece and all we have discussed in the class in detail. Nephew means sibling's son is nephew. Sibling's daughter is niece. So Asha's mother. So normally I say from the name don't assume gender. But for the time being I'm assuming Asha is a female person. Because CSIR don't trick you with why can't Asha be a male? CSIR won't assume so. But other exams may even that kind of situations are also created. From the name, you may assume a gender, but they may be meaning the other gender. So Asha's mother is Tanisha's daughter's aunt. So Tanisha's daughter's aunt means, I will denote Tanisha here. Tanisha's daughter here, DTR I am denoting for Tanisha's daughter. Tanisha's daughter's aunt means, it can be Tanisha or Tanisha's partner's sister. Tanisha's sister or Tanisha's partner's sister. So Asha's mother, there is a person Asha's mother, I will call that person X. वो आशा's mother Tanisha's sister है तो ये sentence valid है, but we have to check whether there is any other possibility also. If Asha's mother X is Tanisha's daughter's aunt means this daughter's mother's sister is daughter's aunt, but there can be other aunt possibilities also. This daughter's father's brother also, father's sister is also aunt, or it can be some other sister other than Asha's mother. So that is all there, but let us check what the question is trying to ask. Tanisha has no nephew. No nephew means no sibling son. So then Asha is Tanisha's. So look at the 4 options. There is no option saying cannot be determined or not possible, something like that. That is why this example that we have taken itself, you can continue. Asha is Tanisha's. Tanisha's sister's daughter. Sister's daughter is niece. So option 2, niece is the answer. Is that clear? Little trickier than previous question. All of you understood this? So I think this was the 9th question or 8th question. Did anyone count the number of question? In between I skipped the question, that's why the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the 10th question. This was the 10th question. This was a February 2025 question, but this was asked in June 2016 also. So I will take the June 2016 version of it. Try kariye your question. Due to lack of time, I will read the question for you and you can answer it. A frog hops means jumps and lands exactly 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter away at a time. So one jump mein 100 centimeter. What is the least number of jumps required to reach a point 10 centimeter away? Har jump 100 centimeter ka hai. So one jump 100 centimeter, another 200, another 300, another 400. So, and how many jump to reach 10 centimeter? 10 centimeter somewhere here. But every jump is taking minimum 100 centimeter away. So how you will reach a 10 centimeter distance? So there is an option called it cannot travel such a distance. So it seems to be the correct answer, is it? If so, then you are wrong. You will get a negative mark. It cannot travel such a distance, galat answer hai, because if the frog tries to jump in a different way, the frog can jump in 2 jumps only. I will show you due to lack of time with this presentation. In our complete course, we use these study materials or this teaching aid so that it will be easier to understand. So the frog, initially if it is here, think that the frog is jumping 1 meter in this direction and reaching here. So yeah, the animation, let me check, sometimes it does not work properly. Earlier it used to jump. I think the file have some error now. Now after this, don't jump forward. If you jump forward like the explanation I given earlier, you cannot reach 10 centimeter. Change the angle. Instead of jumping 180 degree itself, change the angle and jump in a different angle so that after the second jump, this distance is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter, but this is another way of getting 10 centimeter. No? We are not placing the frog in a national highway and asking it to jump in that national highway only. The frog is in the jungle maybe. The frog can change its direction as per its wish. So confirm it can jump in this direction. Geometrically, the idea is this radius 10 centimeter wala circle draw kiya to anywhere on the circle the frog can jump to reach 10 centimeter. So if it jumps at an angle, physics students, you can use sine formula to find that angle, but that is not necessary in an aptitude question. You only have to say there exists an angle such that it can jump in 2 hops or 2 jumps. Minimum पूछा है, that is why 2 is the answer. सबको clear है ये question? And this was a 2016 question. 2016 में what I remember is this was asked in mathematical science, chemical science and earth science का common paper में ये पूछा था. 2025 February में this was repeated in life science paper. This is why I am saying more than your own subject aptitude papers, it is more important to practice your other subjects aptitude paper. So 2025 में mathematical science, chemical science, earth science में 2016 में पूछा हुआ question 2025 में life science में repeat किया. हाँ, frog replaced by monkey. That's the only difference. That's the only difference. The answer is 2. Are you understanding? Exactly, Avanish. That is what I am saying. I am telling this for many years, but still students ask, is our paper different from other subjects? CSIR don't show partiality like that. It is just coincidence that definitely one paper दूसरा पेपर से टफ होगा, इजी होगा, वो कोइंसिडेंस है. हमेशा एक सब्जेक्ट का पेपर इजी होगा, हमेशा एक पेपर डिफिकल्ट होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If I am analyzing PYQs of CSIR-NET for the last 14 years, right from the year 2012 when CSIR started asking this paper, I started teaching from 2014, but 2012 onwards paper I am analyzing. So I am telling you clearly, all PYQs are similar. Yeah, maybe 1 or 2 question they will put maybe of little more tweaked version of a subject related one. Last 2-3 years they have done that. That is called general science question. General science question skip करिए, वो 1 question या 2 question होगा, वो skip किया तो भी you will get enough number of questions. Okay, all of you like this rapid fire lecture. We took a little extra time. Hope it is okay. If you felt this session is useful, please hit that like button. That is very important because YouTube algorithm also works like that. If you click the like button, YouTube understand that this video should be recommended to more people. So if you feel that this session should reach more people, or if you feel that more such sessions should happen in this course, please hit the like button because that will motivate me. When more people are watching our content, we will definitely be motivated. So please do that and share it among your friends, share it in your WhatsApp group, share it in your Telegram group. And for those people who ask me how to prepare for general aptitude better or more effectively, for December aspirants, what I will suggest to you is you join our live complete course. We are starting the first batch of live complete course for December exam from 7th July. And now if you are joining, you can join at the early bird price of 1,999. 1,999 price you can join, and 6 months subscription also you can get. And this December, after every batch, we try to update our content so that it is better. And this batch you will have July exam. ये month में complete होने के बाद वो July exam का questions भी include करके ये course को update करेगा. So 14 years PYQ solutions होगा. And ये course एक structured course है, as I told in the beginning of the class. Monday, Wednesday, Friday only classes will be there. Every week 3 days only class, because I know that your subject part also you attend a lot of classes, or your self study if it is also, it needs lot of hours. So aptitude के लिए live classes सिर्फ 3 hour per week होगा. बाकी 3 days same time you need to practice yourself these 3 topics that I have taken in these 3 days. And ये 3 topics के based weekly test होगा on Sundays, so that 7 days fully used, these 3 topics are completely understood. And उसके बाद regular doubt clearing sessions होगा, detailed study materials होगा, class notes होगा, practice worksheets होगा, topic wise PYQs होगा, 10 mock tests with detailed video solutions are there, weekly test as I told. And live class miss ho raha to you will get the recordings of the live class 1 hour after every live class. The recording will be uploaded and you can watch the recorded any number of times, and you can access the class in your mobile app also or in laptop also, and you can access in one mobile and one laptop. So total 2 devices you can access. And day after tomorrow we are starting this, and use this early bird price so that you can get the course. This early bird price we are offering because we will be launching new batches of this course next month also. But those who are joining earlier, if you are joining earlier also, you have 6-month subscription, so you can get the lectures again live itself. It's like a cycle of lectures, it will continue. In about 4 months we will be completing one set of lectures, then again the same set of lectures will repeat again as live classes. So if you purchase early also, you can start late after 1 week, 2 week, after even July exam. Those who are just starting your preparation but not completely prepared for July exam, but attempting July exam for understanding the pattern of exam, but want to start your preparation for December exam after July exam only, you can definitely do that. But you can subscribe now because you can avail the early bird price, and you can start from that particular batch onwards also. If you have any queries, you can contact us at this number, visit this website or visit this mobile app for more details. Check the description of the video to get the direct link to join also, or scan this QR code, that way also you can join. So, and those of you can't afford the live complete course, definitely if you have a financial situation, you can contact us. We'll try to support by giving discount only if there is a financial situation. But otherwise, if you don't want to join the live course, go through our YouTube videos. Through our YouTube videos also, we have delivered enough quality content, but it will not be a structured approach. It will be a set of videos. That's one difference. And the latest videos, latest update, everything will be there mainly in our live complete course. That's a most updated course, most updated content. And free resources, you can find these here. So if there is any other doubts, you can ask now. Otherwise, let's conclude for today. Okay, I think there is no other doubts. So those of you attended the session, please invite your friends to the next session also. Most probably Monday or Tuesday we will come up with the next session. So subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Okay, so take your time to comment on this video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.